Morning students, have a nice Saturday. Dear friends, we all remember even today the scientists of the world. Why? Because they all have invented, they all have founded extraordinary things. And for that, we always remember scientists and their inventions. Just like we all remember Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. For what? Relativity theory. We all remember Albert Einstein for his invention, relativity theory. We all remember Sir Isaac Newton. Why? For his invention, law of gravitation. The same way, we all remember Marie Curie for her finding radium, right? Sri Jagdish Chandra Bose, we all remember. Galileo, we also remember for their new finding things. That means invention. The same way, today I am going to inform you. I am going to inform you the founder of Humber Watch. Here I am going to inform you. Let us know about the founder of Humber Watch. And his name is Pranav Mistry. His name is Pranav Mistry. What did he do in the field of science, technology? What did he do? What did he find? So here's the title: Palanpur Youth reinvents the finds a humble watch. Let us know about Pranav Mistry. His hometown, Palanpur. Pranav Mistry is the pride of Palanpur. He is pride of Palanpur. Not only Palanpur, but also for India. Pranav Mistry, he is the pride not for Palanpur, but also for India. Not only for India, but also for the world. Now, he is the head of Think Tank Team Samsung Research America. Now, Pranav Mistry, he is the head. He is the head of the think tank team Samsung Research America. He is the head. Because he invented Humber Watch. He invented Humber Watch. Futuristic. He invented Humber futuristic watch. Unfamiliar words. He showcased the futuristic humble watch gear. Showcase. Pranav Mistry. He showcased the futuristic humble watch gear. Let us see about unfamiliar words. Showcase means a container. Keep it in your mind. Unfamiliar words. Pranav Mistry showcase futuristic humble watch gear. Showcase means a container with glass sides. Showcase that we see in our home. Showcase means a container that contains with glass sides from which very important or valuable objects are kept. Clear? Showcase means it is a container. It is a container with glass sides in which what we do, very important valuable objects are kept. Why? So that we can see them without touching or damaging or stealing. Showcase. Futuristic means very modern. Please clear these both unfamiliar words. Showcase means a container with glass sides in which very important or valuable objects are kept, so that we can see them without touching, without damaging, without stealing. Okay? Futuristic means very modern. Pranav Mistry, he showcased futuristic humble watch. Futuristic watch gear known as he founded digital watch. Digital means digital watch. Digital means it is one kind of device to show information, showing information. Showing information in a form of number. Numbers which can change. Digital watch. He gave the word digital watch. Digital means it is used for showing information in a form of number that can change. Pranav Mistry. He gave digital watch. Now, head of the think tank team, Research America. With these watch, what does this digital individual what? Do. With this what? We can make calls. We can make calls. We are able to receive calls. What does this type of what do? We can make calls. We are able to receive calls. How? Without taking your phone out from the pocket. We are able to make call. We are able to receive call without taking our phone out. Now let us see about his childhood. Let us know about his childhood. Pranav Mistry, when he was 11, he used to say, when he was 11 years old, he said, what? હું મોટો થઈને બહુ નામ કમાઈશ. Words of Pranav Mistry. હું મોટો થઈને મોટું નામ કમાઈશ. When I grow up, I will earn a lot of fame. I will earn a lot of fame. His father Kirtibai said. Pranav always say what? હું મોટો થઈને બહુ નામ કમાઈશ. His father said. He also told that he never knew that it will happen. Pranav Mistry proved himself for earning lot of fame. His IQ power very rich. It empowered him to the first rank. In his schooling time, Pranav Mistry always stood first. In his every academic year, always stood first. In his class, every academic year that he spent at Sri Vivid Lakshmi Vidya Mandir, Palanpur. Up to 12, he was a student of Sri Vivid Lakshmi Vidya Mandir, Palanpur. And up to 12, he studied in his mother tongue, Gujarati. Know about Pranav Mistri's childhood, academic career. Up to 12, he studied in his mother tongue, Gujarati. He always stood first in every academic year. He was highly interested in every activity. Such as sports, music, dance, singing, right? He played table tennis very well. In every activity, he was highly interested. After 12, he became the student of Nirma University, Ahmedabad. For taking his BE degree. Or Nirma University, Ahmedabad. After that, he became the student of IIT, Bachelor Engineering in Computer Engineering at Nirma University. After that, he became the student of IIT, Bombay. Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. There he took his degree, ME, postgraduate. There he completed his degree of ME, postgraduate, and his particular field, it was industrial design. There his particular field was industrial design, IIT Bombay.